Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to create our first Flutter app on Visual Studio, and we will talk about the basic structure of Flutter project. So let's create our first project in VS Code. Go to the top menu and click on the view and select common palette. It is the easiest way to create a Flutter project. Common palette. Now you can choose Flutter new application project. So let's wait. Now you can choose the directory you want to save the project. For example, my one is test app, and select the folder. And now it will ask the name for your project. You can put any name you want. My one is Flutter application ABC. Click enter and wait. We will see our new project will create. So when we create our first app, it has a few files and folders in this pane. When we see there is Android, which contain all files and folders specific to the Android one. If you bring any changes to specific to the Android, you can come and bring changes in here. So there is an iOS. It contain all files and folders about the iOS things. If sometime we are going to bring specific changes to the iOS, so we come here, and the other one is library or lib folder, which contain main.dart file, which is the starting point of every Flutter app project. This one is the main.dart file, which contain all our starting point code. Okay, we most of the time we are spending our time to with lib and don't care about this, and we come to the pubspec.yaml file. This is very important one. We should take care of this one. If you want to add any plugins to our project, we will come to the pubspec.yaml file. We will add here, and if you want to add any font, we come here, and if you add any pictures, any other things, so we will come to the pubspec.yaml file. So it is very important, and in upcoming videos we will see and we will use most of these things which is inside the pubspec.yaml file. So this is the basic structure of simple Flutter app. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.